Want a simple, affordable way to understand what's going on under your car's hood without rushing to a mechanic? The ANCEL AD310 OBD2 scanner is built to give you instant insight and save you time and money. This compact scan tool is designed to work with most vehicles made after 1996 that support OBD2 protocols, making it widely compatible with cars across different brands. You simply plug it into your car's OBD2 port, and it powers on instantly, no batteries or charging required, which makes it incredibly convenient and reliable. What makes it especially useful is how easy it is to use. Even if you're not a car expert, the clear LCD screen and simple button layout let you quickly read and understand diagnostic trouble codes. It doesn't just show codes, it also provides their meanings, helping you identify what might be wrong with your vehicle right away. The core functionality is exactly what most drivers need. It can read and clear check engine light codes, display live data from your engine, show freeze frame data, and perform I/M readiness tests. This means you can diagnose issues, monitor performance, and even reset the warning light after fixing a problem. Another big advantage is cost savings. Instead of paying for basic diagnostics at a repair shop, this tool lets you do it yourself in minutes. It's especially helpful for quick checks, used car inspections, or understanding minor issues before they become expensive repairs. Keep in mind, this is a basic scanner focused on engine diagnostics. It won't read advanced systems like ABS or airbags. But for everyday drivers who just want to check engine issues quickly and easily, it does exactly what it promises. If you want a reliable, no-nonsense tool to take control of your car diagnostics, this is a smart and practical choice. Click the link below for the best price.